Greetings to everyone, respected sir and ma'am. I am Vardhan Kumar of Kendra Vidyalaya Kirandul. So today I am going to give you a brief explanation of our project which is under disaster management, and the name of our project is auto headlight transmission for vehicle. First of all, I would like to tell you about the material which we have used in our project. Battery, connector, LED lights, transistor, LDR sensor, SPDT relay, single pole double throw relay. It allows for an on off configuration, which means the switch is input terminal is always completing one of the two possible circuit. LDR sensor, a light dependent resistor, a type of passive electronic sensor used to detect light. Transistor, it has the function of amplifying and switching electrical signals. 3.7 volt lithium battery, it is used to provide backup power. LED light, it helps to produce light up to 90% more efficiently than incandescent light. Connector, it is used for electrical connecting or disconnecting circuits. It is a major problem while driving car at night time at road or at highways. This is because of a high beam of halogen light of the headlight, which can lead to unfortunate event and can affect both the individual. Both person cannot see anything from their opposite side due to temporary vision loss. We have saw same problem facing our father and mother at night time. For this problem, me and my comrade Dheeraj Paul, Abhijit Verma, Shrikant Sonwani have find a solution for the accident which is happening. So here is the sensor which will sense the light of the approaching vehicle. तो हमने यहाँ दो स्विच लगाए हैं, एक अपर हेडलाइट के लिए और एक डीपर हेडलाइट के लिए, और नीचे हमारा सेंसर है जो कि लाइट को सेंस करेगा. सो जब अप्रोचिंग व्हीकल की लाइट हमारे सेंसर पे पड़ेगी तो सेंसर उसे सेंस करेगा और अपर हेडलाइट को डीपर में स्विच करेगा, और जैसे ही गाड़ी क्रॉस कर जाएगी तो डीपर हेडलाइट वापस अपर हेडलाइट में स्विच हो जाएगा. To be very honest, this model can sort all the issue or the problem which is causing at night time while driving cars. Thank you.